How to change nickname in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from GamersTech. Today I am going to guide you how to change nickname in Blockman Go. Changing nickname in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game, launch Blockman Go on your mobile device. Access profile setting. Tap on your profile or avatar icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the main menu. Edit nickname. Look for an option to edit your nickname or profile information. Tap on your current nickname and then type in the new one. Save changes. Confirm or save the new nickname. Follow rules. Ensure the nickname complies with Blockman Go guidelines. For example, no offensive language. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change nickname in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.